VAMP 221 Relay Programming and Commissioning on-site demonstration. Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to explain how to program and commission the VAMP 221 Arc Flash Protection Relay on-site. Before we begin, please note that the built-in VAMP 221 relay does not have a direct sensor input port. If you want to communicate with arc flash sensors, you must install an additional VM10 LSE sensor module. In this panel, we have installed two arc sensors on the rear door. The first sensor is installed on the incoming compartment, and we have named it Sensor 2. The second sensor is installed in the adjacent compartment and is named Sensor 1. These sensors continuously monitor their respective compartments for any arc flash event. Before commissioning, carefully read the VAMP operation manual and configure all the required settings using the adjustment knobs on the relay. For communication between the VAMP relay and the VM10 LSE sensor module, use a Modbus RTU communication cable. The sensor module requires a 24-volt DC power supply, which should be connected to Terminal 1 and Terminal 2. Next, connect the sensor communication cable to the sensor terminals on the VM10 LSE module, according to the wiring diagram. On the VAMP 221 relay, connect the trip relay output to the main circuit breaker trip circuit. Also connect the required 24-volt DC control wiring and provide a 230 volts AC auxiliary supply to power the VAMP relay. Once the power supplies are energized, you should see the run indication on the VAMP relay. At the same time, the VM10 LSE sensor module should display its power on indication, confirming that both devices are operating normally. Now let's perform a functional test. I will activate Sensor 2 to simulate an arc flash condition. As you can see, the VAMP relay immediately detects the event and displays a Sensor 2 trip alarm. At the same time, the VM10 LSE sensor module also indicates that Sensor 2 has been activated. This confirms that communication between the sensor module and the relay is working correctly, and that the trip signal is functioning as expected. After completing the test, the system must be reset. To reset the alarm, first press the select button on the VAMP relay, and then press the reset button. You will now see that both the VAMP relay and the sensor module have returned to their normal operating condition, indicating that the trip has been successfully cleared. That's the complete procedure for programming, wiring.
Hi everyone, thank you for watching and supporting my channel. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to the channel for more electrical, technical, and engineering content. Your support motivates me to create more useful content.